So you're probably wondering what on earth this is. Well, this is a surprisingly good product. In a nutshell, it's a combination fan and blanket that blows hot or cool air into your blanket so it climate controls your bed. Setting it up is pretty easy. Attach the hose to the BedJet unit, hook it up onto your bed and your blanket, and bam, you are good to go. There's also a remote control you can use to control the actual bed itself, and it works fairly well. However, if you want to unlock the full functionality of the BedJet, you should download the app. And I gotta say, this is a pretty badly produced app. It's not visually appealing, it's a little bit confusing, and it doesn't follow material guidelines either. However, it does do everything it's advertised to do. You can set timers to turn it off, you can set the temperature of the BedJet itself, and even follow biorhythmic sleep patterns, all of which work well. Quick side note, it did make my Smartest Nut Pro 2 and Mi Note 3 a little bit wonky. I was not able to get alarms, which is very, very strange, but that didn't happen on the Moto G or the iPhone 6, so strange side notes, but I digress, let's keep on going. When I got the BedJet, it was about -5 degrees outside or 23 Fahrenheit, so it's definitely wintertime. And the heater actually worked very well. It was like sleeping in a warm cocoon. I had to pump it up to about 70% of its max fan speed to keep warm, but it works well. I got the thin sheet, and I highly recommend getting the thick comforter instead, as the sheet itself is too thin, especially if you live in a cold country. So this is not an air conditioner, so you cannot blow cold air colder than your room. So if you're in the wintertime, you should put this on the ground where the coolest air is, so you can blow the cool air into your blanket. You can get a king size sheet that will actually create 2 separate climates in the same sheet, but I didn't get that, so I could not test it. At max airflow, it's quite loud, so this is not for light sleepers either. It can also blow cold air to stop me from sweating in bed, and it works very well. So if you are a sweaty sleeper or you need a climate controlled environment to sleep in, I really think this is a good product. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.